So guys, it's me again. Yeah, the storm.
I hope there's a tornado. It looks like it might turn into a wildfire. Then supercell.
Now put these stuff back.
Dakota knows too much.
Tornado.
And so anyways,
I hope there is one. Do you guys?
I'm at my friend the girl's house, and I don't know what I'm doing, but we did an eye pull we did a polar bear punch, and where you walk on ice, where you run and
you walking
no,
in cold water.
you walk in cold water and on ice and bare feet, and it's really scary because your feet could get, ice bite, frostbite. And we risked today, and we went. You see a tree? You see a tree right there?
It's blowing.
You guys see a tree right there? We went all the way to where all the grass is. Right there.
The far one, the far tree.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, I did. You went to the low tree. I went to the far tree.
Where are you taking those?
Just in case you're storm happy.
So guys,
Make sure you put this stuff back.
guys, we might not be doing nothing, but here's Sony. Say hi. Honey, say hi. Hi. And then Dakota.
Say hi to Sunny again.
Wait, oh, hear me. So
Sunny's a good boy.
say hi.
Buzzy.
Let's go to somebody.
Look out.
Come on now, I can't
buddy.
see.
Move.
And this is the Valville. Val.
Hey, Val.
She's a happy puppy.
And she's a happy puppy. So guys, I'm gonna end it here. I know it only been 2 minutes and 6 seconds, but so tomorrow I'll make a video that's 1 hour. I think, I don't know. And it's like a challenge, like where like you have to sit in your room for 1 hour without being bored.
And also be a jumping.
No.
Okay, bye.
But you guys, you have to stay in your room you have to go in your room for an hour and stay in there for an hour. So bye guys. See you tomorrow.